Welcome back once again. How you doing? Hope you're well. Pumpkin fried rice. Absolutely delicious. Very simple. Got some nice little spices in there. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some cooked rice, basmati rice. Try and use a cold rice. Cold rice works out so much better when you're making fried rice. Pumpkin. Cut that into nice decent sized cubes. Onion sliced. I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds there, tablespoon of chopped garlic, a couple of teaspoons of black peppercorns, and then I'm using these 3 spices. So I've got 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and like half a teaspoon of star anise. If you want, you can change this stuff, but I love this little combo. We're gonna start this off with some oil. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. Let's get moving. So I'm going to get started. I've got my wok here and I've got some oil in. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds and the black peppercorns. And just for a few seconds, 30, 40 seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. We're on quite a high heat at the moment. They'll really infuse the oil and give it a lovely flavour. So don't skip this process. And next up to that, we're going to add our onion. I've sliced my onion, you could chop it small if you want. And our garlic. And just for 3 minutes, we're going to throw this around in the pan. Next up, we're going to be adding our pumpkin. So that's just like 3 minutes there. We're now going to introduce the pumpkin. 4 to 5 minutes, staying on this high heat. Keep it moving around. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. This is looking absolutely wonderful. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just drop in a little bit of water. And then we're going to cook this on the high heat until the water evaporates. It's really going to help our pumpkin cook nicely. It'll probably just take about another 4 minutes or so. So that process has just really helped our pumpkin on the way. Next up, let's add some spices. Take one more look at those. So, coriander, chili, and star anise. Like I say, if you want, you can change that to something else. We're also now going to add salt, black pepper, and let's just go for 2 minutes now. Again, staying on this high heat. Keep it moving all the time. Absolutely divine. I love those spices that we put in. Next up, we're going to add our rice, cold cooked rice. I'm using basmati. Just going to change spoons now. I'm going to go for one of my nice coconut shell spoons, which I actually got from Sri Lanka. Beautiful, I love these. We're going to go now for about 5 minutes. We really want to fry this rice. We are very, very nearly finished, and this is going to be delightful. Okay, off goes the heat. Make sure you fry your rice really nicely. That is lovely. Just at the end, a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander. If you wanted, you could be replacing that with maybe some spring onions. green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. So many names for so many different things. Okay, listen, we've done it. That is beautiful, delightful, vegetarian, vegan, healthy, delicious. We'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, say hi, subscribe. We love you. See you later.